I can truly say in this day and time when we all need the Word of God, that it's really a blessing to have someone who's knowledgeable in the Word, and that you can see their enthusiasm as far as the study of and the dedication of really being within the Word of God. It's necessary that we can't make it without the Word. So in Coach Charle's workshops, I really experienced really the richness of the Word of God from a man that really cares and really loves the Word, and it's evident. And in this day and time, I consider that to be extremely valuable. So I do appreciate all that I've learned, all that is instilled, all that's downloaded, and look forward to continuing. Well, I do see that there is a desire that whoever is under the teaching, that they do understand, that they do get to know exactly what's being taught. It's not just a skimming over or a thing whereas he just wants to get his point across, but wants it to really be known what the Word of God is saying, how to take it apart and make it palatable. Yes, I would recommend Coach Charle's workshops to all those who desire to go higher in the Word, who want to really learn more about the Word of God and what it has to say and how it can apply to your life.